This 2022 Winnebago 26T is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago 26T is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.